Kurumirira mateta kuma kuri muingi mwena wa Naivasha kaunti ya Nakuru megie kuongerereka gwa ikuu cia atumia kaingi makiheo ciana niguo nduria utumite kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri mbunge-ini ya Nakuru guceera thibitari-ini uyu niguo kumenya kiria kiraria kingi. Kiumia kihituku aikaria mwena uyu ni matabanirie mururungano nja wa thibitari uyu thutha wa mwiritu wa miaka 23 gukua thutha wa kuheo mwana. Na hindi ya icera riri kamiti ino yugiite kuongerereka gwa ikuu ici kumanite na kwaga wuigiririki na oho unyihu wa mandagitari.
They already have one theater. That one does not augur well because if there is an emergency case, it cannot be operated at that theater. Therefore, we have requested the management to work upon making sure that they have another standby theater whereby the patients can be able to be, to be attended to.
Na thutha wa icera riri bodi ya thibitari uyu ni irateanirio na oho murugamiriri wa thibitari uyu aracenjio muikariri giti wa kamiti ino ya ugima wa mwiri Njuguna Mwaura akiuga thibitari uyu nduri na arigitani a kuigana gukiringithanio na namba nene ya andu aria mamathaga motungata thibitari-ini uyu.
We also found that the hospital has a lot of debt. In actual sense, 245 million is quite a lot of debt.
The NHIF, they are not advancing the funds to the facility once a patient have been attended through an NHIF card.
Stanley Karaja mumemba wa kamiti ino ya ugima wa mwiri akiuga guthamio kwa maabitha aria makoretwo makirugamirira thibitari uyu tikihonia kuona thutha wa uthuthuria kwambikwo aria othe mekuonekana na mahitia na gucungiriirie ikuu cia atumia iria ikoretwo ikionekana mahinda kwa mahinda mabati gutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho.
The necessary authorities other than transferring ought to make sure that action is taken and disciplinary action ought to be taken so that the confidence of patient can also be restored.
Tutafanya uchunguzi yetu kabisa na tutafanya report. Na niseme si vizuri ati pengine mmoja alifanya hiyo makosa, tusiseme madaktari wote ni wabaya, wacha tukubali kwamba wanatutumikia na wanafanya kazi. Na makosa ikipatikana mwenye amefanya makosa anafaa kuchukuliwa hatua.
People and patients out there, please, when you are coming to Naivasha, note that we are still serving you under the old structures and facilities. So this is what has made us to have the burden of holding what we cannot accommodate in our facilities.
Kamiti ino ikiuga ni gukoretwo na unyihu wa dawa thibitari-ini uyu oro undu umwe na indo cia urigitani kuona o kiumia gukoretwo na ikuu cia atumia. Ngiribuatira Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.